Hey, my friends, this is Loli. Welcome to Loli's Creations. Let's go ahead and jump into the first inspiration. I'm going to use a candle holder, this mirror from the Dollar Tree, a angel that lights up, an angel ornament from Dollar Tree, and a Dollar Tree cloche. The first thing that I did was remove that sticker from the back of my mirror, and I cleaned it up with a wipey with glass cleaner. And I also cleaned the candle holder. Then I'm using some of this gel super glue that I got from Dollar Tree, and I'm adding it to that section of my candle holder, and I'm pressing it in the back of my mirror. Then I remove the sticker from my cloche, and I'm going to take some Mod Podge and put it on that base of the cloche just to make sure that it's nicely covered and ready for paint. In case you don't know, this helps paint adhere better to plastic. Once that dried, I'm going to come in with this silver paint from Folk Art, and I'm going to just completely cover it with 2 coats. Now I'm going to take that candle holder and I'm going to place the base of the cloche on it using the mirror as a guide. Then I took some more gel super glue and I'm adding other edges of the cloche bottom, and I'm going to press it down on the mirror as you see right there. I'm letting the edges of the glitter be my guide. Now it's time to add my little angel. So I'm adding the angel and putting my cloche back on, and I'm like, I like it, but I want more. So, already, I'm never done yet. So I took some of this buffalo check ribbon from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to add it to the edges of the base of the cloche. I used gel super glue to do this. And my friends, I want to take a quick moment to say thank you so much for clicking on my video. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you. And to my subscribers, guys, you mean the world to me. Thank you so much for your support. I will not be here today if it wasn't for you guys. Thank you so much. And my friends, if you have not done so yet, I hope you will consider subscribing. And if you do, hit the notification bell so YouTube notifies you each time that I upload a new video. All these things are free and they mean the world to me. All right, so then I repositioned my angel and I'm putting the cloche back on. And guys, I was still not satisfied. I'm like, it means a little something. So I took one of these clear marbles from Dollar Tree and I glued it to that little indentation that the cloche had on the top. And that is it. Let me know what you think. My friends, so this video is part of our Opening by Collaboration. It is our Christmas Angel collaboration. It is hosted monthly by Aurea from DIY with Aurea, myself, Loli's Creations, also Ray from One Way Designs 238. Our co-host this month is Amanda from 6 Kids and a Glue Gun. The links to our channels and to the playlist will be linked in the description box below and also pinned in the comments. Make sure to head on over to the playlist, visit these beautiful and talented ladies and all of the talented people that had joined us today, and show everyone some love. All right, let's go over to the next inspiration. I'm going to use this angel that I got from Dollar Tree, but we are going to change it a little bit. So I took some of my antique parchment antique parchment paint from Apple Barrel, and I'm going to paint all the purple areas. I'm going to leave the book the original color, and I'm coming in with this rose gold paint, and I'm going to paint the wings of my angel using this color. And I gave it about 3 coats. And here it is how it's been looking so far. But I wasn't done. I'm going to come in with some gold from Folk Art, and I'm going to accentuate all those little edges using that gold color just to, outline the dress, the little cape, the arms, all those areas. With the remainder paint that I had on my brush, I'm just dry brushing the gold over the dress. I just added a little bit more, but just doing like a little dry brush just to accentuate this and make it look more cohesive. Angels have a beautiful sparkle, so that's what I was going for. This is what it's looking like so far. I love it. All right, but we're not done. I'm going to take one of these candle holders from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to use some of my Folk Art gold paint, and I'm going to dry brush it along the entire candle holder just to make this a little bit sparkly and give it more of a brighter effect that will match with my angel. I dried it up using my heat gun, and we are ready to attach our angel to this candle holder. But first, I'm going to take one of these vases from Dollar Tree. I removed the sticker, removed the residue, and I took two of these beads that I already had painted from my previous DIY. I glued them both together, butt to butt like that, and then I'm going to glue them to the bottom of that vase, which is now going to be the top. Then I attach my angel to the candle holder with some gel super glue, and we are going to position that vase over it to create a beautiful cloche. But I wasn't done again. I'm going to take some of these not charms. I don't know, this bling strip, I guess, from Dollar Tree, and I am adding it to the indentation of the vase just to bring some more sparkle to this piece. And we are repositioning the cloche over the angel one more time, and this piece is done. Look how cute. Let me know what you think. For the next inspiration, we are going to use one of these. I believe they are candle holders or they are vases. I'm not sure. I think we can use it either or. I'm not sure. If you guys know or what you think this should be, let me know. But as you see there, I struggled to remove that part right there off of it. I used these tin cutters, and finally I came in with this piece and I just pried it until it was completely closed, completely off, I mean. If you attempt this, just be very careful because this ends up with pretty sharp edges. And I just saw there, I had my son on my lap in the beginning of it. Then I was like, oh no, honey, this is getting a little bit rough. So just let me just work on this and you can come back. He was just being so cuddly this day. And how can I say no when he wants to cuddle with his mama, right? All right, so then I finally got it off. And then I bent in any edges that was sticking out. Just be very careful with this part. And now I'm going to prep these little angel wings that I got from Dollar Tree. They are ornaments. And I'm going to use another ornament also. This is, I removed the little thingy that it goes on the top off of it. And now I'm taking some of these tool rolls that I also got from Dollar Tree and applying a little bit of hot glue on the edge of that tin that I worked on earlier. And I did the same thing on the bottom just to keep everything in place. And once those dry and secure, I just rolled this cone onto the mesh. I kept going until I had the amount of sparkle and coverage of that gold as I wanted. I wanted the gold to peek through, but I also wanted that to feel very sparkly. Once I was happy with the amount, I just cut off the excess, and I'm going to tack it down with a little bit of hot glue as well. You can see right there, I had my little helper giving me some directions and telling me what I was missing. So we made this a nice and fun crafting experience together. All right, so the top here, I added hot glue to the inside of the cone, and then I tucked in the tool in. Here, guys, use your finger protectors. I did not have them at hand, but that wasn't very wise. So, I hope that you are better prepared for this part than I was, because I'm always losing those little finger protectors. All right, so once they were tucked in there, as you see that it kept trying to pop off, and I couldn't hold it too much because I was hot. So I used here my scissors to hold it in place until it was secure. And then here it was a little bit lower than I wanted, so I'm adding some hot glue so to bring it down a little bit more and place that coverage over that gold piece as well. And once that dried, I'm going to come in with these gems. Actually, no, we're going to do the head first. So I added hot glue to that opening and placed my round ornament on there as the head. Now we're going to come in with the gems. I'm going to put 2 rows of this. I'm putting one at the bottom first, actually at the top, and then I did the bottom one. And I'm just, taking my time, making sure everything is straight. And once I got to as long as I wanted this to be, or when the both edges met each other, I tried to remove the excess in a way in which it will be a perfect fit when it meets with the other one. And I did that twice. Now I'm going to take some of this floral wire I got from Dollar Tree, and I rolled it around my hand. Like I put my hand on my fingers in a grouping, and I rolled it onto my fingers as you see there. I'm sorry, I'm a little bit off camera there, or a little bit out of the shot. But once I had a decent amount there, I will say I probably rolled it around my hand about 10 to 15 times. So once I had it, the thickness that I wanted this, I took another extra piece of that wire and I wrapped it around so everything will stay, together. And then I rolled up extra there, as you see there. I'm cutting it off, and I'm going to use this piece to wrap around the entire circumference to make this look like a nice little halo for my angel. My friends, if you're still with me this far into the video, please leave me an angel emoji so I know who you are. Thank you so much. And guys, this is how my little halo is looking so far. But we need a stick to hold it up. So I took some more of the wire and I wrapped it really, really tightly onto the circumference right there. And I rolled wire onto itself to make it thicker. And here we go with the halo. And then I kind of curved that piece around the ornament there so it will fit, and I just glued it on the back using some hot glue. Then I added some more hot glue to the back, and I'm going to attach those angel wings to the base as well there, just as you see right there, just making sure everything is nice and straight. And then I'm going to add some more hot glue on the back of these wings just to make this a little bit more stable. And you think I'm done? Not yet! We want to embellish this a little bit more. This last embellishment, I took some more of that same gold ribbon that I used in the bottom, and I am adding it to the, let's say the neck of the angel, as you see here in the front. And that is it now, guys. This came out so stinking cute. Look at that. I love it. Let me know what you think. And here we go with the final reveal. Let me know, please, which one is your favorite. I'm always curious. And it will also give me help to know, what is your taste as well. So I continue to bring you some beautiful DIYs that are in line with your taste. My friends, as always, thank you so much for watching. Be blessed, be a blessing, and craft responsibly. And if you would like to follow me on social media, here are my social media links. And don't forget to visit my friends in the playlist. And if you would like to watch some more of my videos, here's a suggestion, and you're welcome to binge away with this playlist. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. You are amazing. Bye.